Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Taurus Ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. Sun controls your fourth house, and Sun is right now transiting from your first house into your ascendant in the sign of Taurus. Sun will move around 15th of June from your first house to your second house in the sign of Gemini. But till 15 June, Sun will be present in your first house. Being fourth house Lord present in your first house. First house is you, your personality, your overall aspects of life, your journal matters of life are seen from first house. Your journal health, what strength your chart has is seen from your first house. But being Sun present in your first house, Sun will eliminate the significance of your first house. You was previously till from 15th May you will be focusing on yourself regarding your personality, regarding your health, regarding your appearance. Sun will also give you some relief regarding your fourth house related matter because fourth house lord transiting from your first house. After 15th May, when Sun will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Gemini, where Jupiter already moved as we discussed in our Jupiter transit video. You will be focusing on your family related matter, your savings, your money matters, your bank account, etc. etc. Because second house deal with such thing and Sun will illuminate the significance of your second house. Ketu being transiting from the sign of Sun from your fourth house, as we discussed in Rahu Ketu transit video. So being Ketu's energy is interfering into your Sun energy. So you may get some stubborn communication related matter because from second house we also see your speech. Try to low your ego. Try to low your communication, bad communication ability in the month of June, especially after 15th June when Sun will move to your second house. But being Jupiter present your second house, Jupiter will give you ability to control your communication. You will be able to control. Mercury controls your second house and your fifth house, and Mercury is right now transiting from your first house in the sign of Taurus along with Sun. Mercury will change two signs in the month of June. Firstly, Mercury will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Gemini around 6th June 2025, and from your second house to move your third house in the sign of Cancer around 23rd June 2025. But major portion of this prediction, Mercury will be straight to your second house in the sign of Gemini. So Mercury being in its own house in the sign of Gemini into your second house and also controlling your fifth house. What is second house? Your family, your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your speech, your food intake habit, your mouth region, etc. etc. What is fifth house? Fifth house is your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your mental ability, your planning ability, how smart you are, how fast you can learn things, etc. etc. So your fifth house and third house lord will be in its strong position, and also Jupiter is present into your third house. You will have great ability to save money. You will have good account flow, money flow during the month of June, especially after 15 June when Sun will also move to your second house because Mercury will be in its good position and supporting Jupiter into your second house, giving you the ability to save a lot of money. Means you there will be a good flow of money in the month of June, especially after 15 June. Regarding fifth house related matter, you will have great result. If you have children, they will flourish in their life. You may get good result if you are somehow connected to fun activities like you are working into cinema, acting, etc. Like this matters, you're into sports, then we can expect great result. Like some entertainment portion into your work, then you will be able to have great fame, good result, and good earnings during the month of May. If you have children, they will also flourish in their life. If you have any sincere love relationship, then you will spend quality and good time, and you will face good satisfaction with your loved ones during this time period. Venus controls your first house. Venus is your ascendant lord. Venus is very important planet for you people, and also controls your seventh house. And Venus is just moved from your 11th house to your 12th house, and in the month of June, Venus will stay into your 12th house. So, what is 12th house? 12th house is your expenses, your losses, your isolations, your long-term investment, your foreign settlement, permanent foreign settlement are seen from 12th house because foreign places, places from where you are not aware, are seen from 12th house. Space are seen from 12th house. Your imagination, your subconscious mind, your dreams, your sleep pattern, paranormal activities are also represented by 12th house. So, being your 6,000 ascendant lord present at your 12th house and will stay till the whole month of June, we can expect you may get travel opportunity if you are looking for travel previously, because 12th house deal with foreign things. If you are into some imagination, like your work, if you're actor, book writer, or director, movie director, or you are you are somehow your work is involvement into imagination, then you will have great result, because Venus is your ascendant lord. Ascendant lord being starting from your 12th house, you will be a lot of imagination, do a lot of imagination thing in the month of June. And if your work is somehow connected to that, you will have great result. If your work is somehow connected to foreign land, then you will have great result. But if you are not into these things, then you also need to control your expenses and losses, because Venus is your ascendant lord. Ascendant lord represent you, and you being starting from your 12th house. 12th house is the expenses and losses. Daily basis expenses is also represented by 12th house, and long term losses are also represented by 12th house. But you may get temporary elevated expenses, so you need to control on your expenses and try to make to-do list or expenditure list, so you will be have limited expenses in the month of June. Mars controls your 12th house, and your Mars controls your 12th house and your 7th house. And there is a good news for all the Taurus ascendant people. Mars has come out from its debilitated state around 7 June 2025, and comes to your fourth house in the sign of Leo. So 12th house Lord being into your fourth house, and Ketu is already targeting from your fourth house. That's why we were saying you will get the travel opportunity if you are looking for travel previously, because homeland, fourth house is your homeland, and homeland lord will be occupied by 12th house, foreign land, and your ascendant lord is starting from your 12th house. So that's why if you're looking for travel or foreign settlement permanent, then you will have the good opportunity, or your documentation will be moved further during that time period. Being your seventh house lord transiting from your fourth house, if you're married right now, you will have a lot of conflict with your spouse, beside the fact that Ketu is already transiting from your fourth house, and Ketu in its peak energy, because Ketu is just moved from your uh, fifth house to your fourth house. Try to avoid conflicts, avoid communication, argumentation. Try to stay calm. If your partner, like your loved ones or your marriage partner, try to argument with you, try to avoid that argument, because your chart energy is implementing in this situation that you need to control, because your spouse may get stubborn with you, may get disturbed with you, and may try to argument with you, because your Mars is aggression, and with Ketu is ultimate aggression, ultimate things. So you will be able to a lot of argument conflicts. So try to avoid conflicts if you have a spouse right now, if you are married right now, or try to control anger into your home related matter. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Taurus ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.